Hello, Chandler Crouch here. This is going to be the most exciting video you've ever seen on how to fill out an appointment of agent form. This is the form you use if you want to hire an agent to protest your property taxes for you. They use the same exact form in every single county in the state of Texas, and this is how you fill it out. Top line, put the county name. In Tarrant County, you put Tarrant, obviously. The next three lines are designated for the owner's information. Now, this is really simple. However, if what you put in these blanks don't match the records of the appraisal district, then they won't accept the form. So go to the appraisal district website. If you're in Tarrant County, that's tad.org, and search for the property address, and you will see the search results here. Go ahead and click the link and then scroll down, and I'll show you which section lists the owner information. Okay, here's the section for owner information. This is actually the owner's name, and then it's actually the mailing address. So just take whatever's there, even if it's wrong, go ahead and take that and go here and fill out the form according to what's on their site. Now, if it's not right and you want to change it, that's a different process altogether. Contact your appraisal district and get your change of address done, and then fill out this form if you don't want to put the wrong address on here. I get it, but whatever, different process. So scroll on down. Next section, you want to put the all the properties that you're gonna want to assign to that agent. You want to list them here and check this box. So this is the account number. Every county has a different place that they show the account number. On the Tarrant County website, it's the very top number right here, and it's clearly labeled, so that helps. You go ahead and put the account number there. Now, if it starts with a 0, go ahead and put that leading 0 in there. If it starts with 2 zeros, put 2 zeros. This number has to be 8 digits long or they won't accept it. Then this is where you put the address of the property that you want them to protest on. And if you have multiple properties, go ahead and list them out here. Also, no need to put the legal address. In Tarrant County, Dallas and Denton County, I haven't seen them have a problem with this form if you don't have the legal address there. And if you have misspellings or different things like that, then it may cause a problem. I don't know. I always just leave it blank. So scrolling on down, this is where you find the agent information. I've already got this filled out on the form that we're sending to people in Tarrant County, but if you have a different agent, you just fill out their information here. Their little agent ID number here, that's going to change from county to county, so just make sure you're putting the appropriate number on the form, or just don't put the agent ID number on there at all, and that's fine. All right, the next several blanks here, these are the fields that I like checked if I'm going to protest for somebody, because it gives me access to the right information to arm me for the property tax protest, and it keeps me from getting too much information. I don't want to get the tax bill in the mail. The tax bill is yours. I want to protest for you and hopefully get that tax bill down a little bit, but these blanks are what I like checked so that we have access to protest for you, and we don't want the thing to expire. This thing will stay active until you cancel it. You can always cancel it anytime. It's free. There's no contract that's going to hold you to anything. We just don't want to have to bug you every year to refill out this piece of paper. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and sign the form. Again, if you're the owner, check that top box, and you want the owner name to appear exactly as it's shown here. You want to make sure it's the owner's name. Sign that. If you're not the owner, you're a property manager or an attorney or someone that's representing the owner, you can just check one of these other boxes and sign however you're comfortable signing, and it should work just fine. The appraisal district shouldn't have a problem. And that's it, guys. It's a really simple form. Just fill that out. You're welcome to do what I've done here and type on the form if you have the technology to do that. If not, just print the form out, do it by hand, scan it in, email it over to us, and we'll take care of the rest. If you want to submit it directly to the appraisal district, you're more than welcome to do that. Just make sure if you're hiring an agent, especially if you're hiring us, make sure that you've signed a contract with us so that we have disclosed the proper information that gives us permission to protest, and we know who we're representing. If you send it into the appraisal district, then we may not find out that we're protesting for you, and we don't have that agreement between you and I documented, and so we want to make sure and get that done. But there you have it. That's how to do it. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to just reach out, and we're happy to help anytime, any way we can. Have a great day.